We're injecting testosterone cypionate, 0.25 ml. I've already got the cartridge loaded up. I am going to back it off a bit to 0.35 just to give it a little bit more pressure for the injection. Okay, so we're going to pick a spot perpendicular to our kneecap. You want to hold a good bit of pressure, but not painful. Make sure the plunger is good and flat on your skin, and hold it. Rub it around for a second, and then lift off, and that's it. Super painless. So make sure you got it good and flat on your legs so it don't spray out the sides, and that's it.